Making better decisions in affiliate marketing, keen guidance for keeps. To succeed at affiliate marketing, take time to understand it and follow through to accomplish your plan. Before you get started in affiliate marketing, take the time to understand how to make your business profitable. The tips you read below will get you on the right path. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. Never be afraid to outsource tasks in affiliate marketing in order to increase productivity. A lot of affiliates, especially startups, only trust themselves to do the work. But you may be missing out on a golden opportunity. Of course, you always need to thoroughly vet anyone to whom work will be outsourced, but if you can get it done for cheap, go for it. Different affiliate programs have different benefits. Programs vary by product and degree of flexibility. If you are just beginning with affiliate marketing, you should start with something you know a lot about. This may not bring you the most profits, but it will be easiest for you to build a site. You will be able to add your own opinions and personal touches to the site if you know about the subject. A great affiliate marketing tip is to include a home link on every page of your website. This is very important if you have many pages on your website because it can be very easy for visitors to get lost. A simple home link can direct visitors back to your home page. If you're affiliate marketing on your blog, respect your readers by only promoting products you believe in. If you don't do this, you run the risk of alienating the audience you've worked so hard to build. Respecting your readers also means they're more likely to take your suggestions for products to buy seriously, which means more revenue for you. If you have affiliate ads on your website, you will get paid each time somebody buys a product by clicking on an ad. Do not trick people into clicking on an ad. This will not generate any income for you, and these people will never come back on your website or blog again. A good affiliate marketer knows that the best way to get visitors to click on your advertisements is to gain their trust. One way to gain their trust is to show them that you care about the products that you advertise. Find ways to make the products more personal, as this will lead to more clicks. If you take the time to plan your next move and keep these tips in mind, you are going to see the positive outcome that you were hoping for when you decided to get involved. So make an action plan, including these tips, and get to work. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.